Hello, mga makamelo. Ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon ay tungkol sa combining like terms. Ang focus naman natin ay subtraction. Paano nga ba tayo mag-subtract ng like terms? Parang parehas din po sa concept ng adding like terms. Ang pagkakaiba lamang ay ang operation. Subtract only the coefficients or numbers in front. Ang halimbawa po ay kung meron tayong term na 3xy, ang ating coefficient ay 3. 4z, ang ating coefficient ay 4. So, you have to keep the variable and exponent exactly the same. Next is you have to remember you can only combine terms that are alike. And don't forget the concept of subtracting integers. Let's have an example of subtracting like terms. Example number 1, 4x minus 3x. So as you can see, our operation here is subtraction. And of course, we need to identify whether the given terms are alike. So our variable is x, and x, our exponent is 1 and 1, so they are like terms. Now let's identify our coefficient, which is 4 and 3. So, eto madali lang i-subtract. 4 minus 3 ay 1, and then just keep the variable and the exponent, or just simply the answer is x. You don't need to write 1 anymore. Okay, next, we have 2y minus negative 5y. First, we need to identify if they are like terms. Parehas po ang variable, which is y and y. Their exponent is 1 and 1. So, they are like terms kasi parehas. Now, let's identify our coefficients. Our coefficients are 2 and negative 5. And if you can still remember, our subtraction of integers, keep, change, and change. So that's it. We have to apply this one in this concept. As you can see, the sign of 2 here is positive. So you just have to keep it. Next is you have to change the operation from subtraction. It will become addition. Next, you have to change the subtrahend from negative. It will become positive. So, that's it. Now, ito, disregard na po natin ito. So, we have 2 plus 5. Parehas na po ang kanilang sign. So, you need to add the numbers. So, 2 plus 5 is 7. And then we have to keep the variables and the exponent. Let's have another example. We have negative 3z and negative 8z. And the operation is subtraction. So, we have to keep the minuend. So, negative pa rin yan. And then we have to change the operation and we have to change the subtrahend. So, as you can see, our operation now is addition. Applying the concept of adding integers, if magkaiba po ang kanilang sign, we have to subtract them. So, 8 minus 3 is 5. And the sign is positive because the sign of the greater number is positive. Then next is we have to keep the variable and the exponent. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, in my Facebook page, and in my TikTok account. Goodbye everyone.